All right, has this ever happened to you? So I got a sprinkler head that is spraying on the concrete instead of along this 90-degree pattern. And here's the reason why. If you look at these little feathers right here, that is showing your spray pattern. So what's happening is it's turned towards the concrete instead of towards this way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. And let's go ahead and get started. Tools needed for this sprinkler repair are gloves. Always got to protect the hands. And then this flathead screwdriver. So what we'll do is we'll take this flathead screwdriver, we'll put it underneath the lip of the sprinkler nozzle. You can see there. So we'll pull this up onto the nozzle. And then what we're doing is pulling the shaft out of the sprinkler head. So all these sprinkler heads, just a little side note, are pretty much the same with Hunter, Rainbird, and Orbit. So how to get this repositioned so it's not spraying the stairs is we'll take and grip the shaft and we'll turn it to the right to get our 90-degree spray pattern. Now you can turn it to the right or the left just to get whatever spray pattern you need. If you have a 90 spray pattern, a 180 spray pattern, whatever it might be. So what we need here is a 90 spray pattern. Got it set in place. And then how you determine where the water is going to be coming out the spray pattern is in between these two dots. Those lines are going to show you where the water is coming out, and that is your spray pattern. So we have this all set. All you do is go ahead and let go of the shaft, drops back down into place, and you are set. So check back within after you do a water cycle, check on the sprinkler head just to make sure it's still in the same position. If it's in a different position, you're probably going to need to replace the sprinkler head. I have another video that shows you how to do that. So check back, make sure that's all good, and then you are set to go. But that's how you reposition a sprinkler head that has gone out of whack and is no longer watering where it needs to water. So thanks for watching. Happy sprinkler repairs and have a great day.